Today we're looking at BUR2 asphalt-based seam repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at APOC.com. Existing seam problems can be found in mod bit, BUR cap sheet, and self-adhered membranes. Let's look at a 3-course repair method. To start, always clean the surface. Using a trowel, apply APOC 365 Eterna-Flash. Measure and apply a piece of 483 polyester fabric. Using a trowel, lightly embed 483 polyester into 365 Eterna-Flash. Apply a top coat of 365 Eterna-Flash. Using industrial shears, cut the polyester, ensuring it does not go past the patch. Apply roofing granules over the 365 Eterna-Flash. Now your APOC BUR2 asphalt-based seam repair detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at APOC.com.